Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a custom KPI tracking report in HubSpot in just a few simple steps. First, click Sales in the left sidebar to expand that menu. Then click Reporting in the left sidebar to expand the reporting options. Click Reports from that menu and the My Reports page loads, showing your existing reports list. Click the Create button in the top right, and a drop-down menu opens with report creation options. Select Create Report from that drop-down, which takes you to the Report Builder. On the Create Report page, you'll see several report type cards. Click Next on the Custom Report card. The Choose Data Sources page appears with a primary data source drop-down where you'll select which HubSpot object to report on. Click Next to move to the Configure page, where you'll set up your report details. Click into the Enter Report Name field at the top to activate it. Type your report name. For this example, I'm using Monthly Deal Value KPI. Click the Save Report button, and a save modal appears with additional options. Click Next to move through to the Who Can Access This Report screen, where you can set sharing permissions. Click Save to finalize your report, and you'll see a confirmation notification that your report was saved. Your new KPI report now appears in the Report Builder, ready to configure with the specific metrics you want to track. After saving your report, you can add specific KPI metrics by dragging fields from the Properties panel on the left into the Values area. If you want to track deal value over time, drag the Deal Amount field into Values and add Create Date as a breakdown to see trends by month. You can edit your report name or access settings anytime by opening it from the My Reports page and clicking the Settings icon. To add this report to a dashboard so your team can see it, click the More Actions menu and select Add to Dashboard. And that's how to create a custom KPI tracking report in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.